Hi everybody, hope you are doing well. Welcome to this particular video. We are going to learn some interesting vocab words. Since in the prep check sessions we had realized that our vocab needs a lot of improvement. So we are going to have frequent sessions where we are going to target 10 vocabulary words. So let's get started. Welcome to the session. Before we begin, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Juhi Narula. I've done my bachelor's in technology and master's in business administration. I have 12 years of experience in training students for CAD, GMAT, and GRE. I also happen to be a life skills coach and a content creator. This is the Telegram channel. Please join the Telegram channel so that you get the notifications about the upcoming sessions and classes which I take. So usually I take classes Monday to Friday at 8 p.m. on Unacademy CAT for MBA. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday at 11 p.m., which is the Genesis batch on Unacademy CAT. So the Genesis batch targets CAT and IBMAT 2022 aspirants. So if you wish to appear for 2022 for CAT, IBMAT or other management entrance tests, you're most welcome to be a part of those sessions. The special classes usually happen 9 a.m. in the morning. So you can get all the notifications about these sessions on the Telegram channel. So please join the Telegram channel. Now, apart from the wonderful sessions that we offer you on YouTube, we also offer you two subscription plans. So subscription courses help you enhance your performance, help you get into a direction method, and the right approach really helps to perform in a better way in the CAT and the other management entrance tests. So we have two subscription plans to offer. One we call Plus and other we call Iconic. So in Plus, there are live courses, there are weekly tests, there are regular doubt clearing sessions, study material is provided, there is unlimited access, and the courses are structured. In Iconic, you get all the benefits of Plus. Apart from this, there would be a personal coach who's going to handhold you in your entire journey of preparation. There's a detailed study planner which is provided. Then there is one-on-one live mentoring, test analysis, and expert guidance. So all this really helps to get a personal understanding of your strengths and weaknesses, and if you are being mentored by industry's experts, then of course your performance will definitely improve. So you can choose between Plus and Iconic depending on the requirements you have, and the number of months can be the subscription can be chosen according to the attempt you're going for. So if you're going for CAT 2021, you can go for 6 months, because after CAT you have to prepare for other management entrance tests, and every management entrance test has got something different which has to be catered to in order to crack those exams. So like this is an amazing feature that if you enroll for one program in our subscription, then you get access to other batches also. So this should be a good time to invest, especially if you're targeting testnet, IFT, or any other management entrance test. Apart from this, if you are planning to appear for 2022, you can go for 18-month subscription. And in case you're targeting 2023, it is always wise to begin early. You can go for 24-month subscription. You can go for Plus on Iconic, like I said, depending on the requirements that you have. And also you can use the code JNLife10 to get a 10% off on any of the subscriptions. The same code can be used to unlock the special classes, which are free classes on Unacademy's platform. You simply need to go to the Play Store, download Unacademy's app, and unlock the sessions using the code JNLife10. The same code can be used to participate in the combats. So the code is JNLife10. So let's get started. We are going to learn some interesting words and try to associate the words, try to create mnemonics, try to create flashcards, and see how your retention can be improved for these words. Let's get started. So the first word is aberration. Aberration is something that doesn't occur in the regular norm. That means that is different from the norm or the acceptable behavior or something which is thought about. So you can take a look at the sentence which is there. Whenever we create a sentence, it helps you retain the word in a longer way, right? And so always try to, create sentences or do some discussion around the word so that, it stays with you for a longer period of time. So the word is aberration, which is a noun. Also, my advice would be that whenever you are learning the words, try to learn the word along with a part of speech. So why part of speech? Because what happens is that at times you might get certain sentence completion questions. So even if you know that the sentence demands a verb, you can very easily eliminate the words which are nouns or adjectives, right? That's also a smarter way to do. So of course you'll develop a better understanding when you will get into the details of the word. So always try to learn the part of the speech of the word and try to, get into the details, do some discussion, create some mnemonics, try to put the words on the flashcards, and you'll see that the words stay with you for a longer period, right? So the next word is abhor. Abhor is to hate. So if you're extremely showing displeasure or you are detesting somebody, you use the word abhor. So the word is basically a verb. So I can say I abhor attending late night parties. So this is how you're using the word detesting, not liking at all. So it's an extremely negative word. So you can use it to represent hate or to show detest. So like there's a sentence, because he always wound up getting hit in the head when he tried to play cricket, Marson began to abhor the sport. So like I've created some sentences. You can have your own sentences, your own way of learning the word. Maybe something, any vegetable that you don't like, or any dish that you don't like, or any person you don't like, extremely dislike that person. So maybe you can just quickly create the sentence so that you are able to retain the word for a longer period of time. So we have learned two words: aberration, something that differ from the norms, and another is abhor. Abhor is to hate or detest. Aberration remains to be a noun. Noun is a name, and abhor is a verb, which is an action word. So let's move ahead. The next word is acquiesce. Acquiesce is to agree without protesting. So whenever so it's a very interesting sentence that I wrote. Though Mr. Posperenzi wanted to stay outside and work in his garage, when his wife told him that he had better come into dinner, he acquiesced to her dream. So without objecting, Mr. Posperenzi left the work and joined his wife for dinner. So you can create some funny, humorous sentences if you know somebody or you know a situation where you yourself agreed without protesting. You can use the word. So it is a verb. That is also something that you need to remember. Let's learn the next word, which is alacrity. So alacrity means eagerness or speed. So when we talk about something which is done quickly, then showing a lot of desperation or eagerness to do, you use this word and it is going to be a noun. Okay, so you can read the sentence. For some reason, Simon loved to help his girlfriend whenever he could. So, like I've created some sentences which should be interesting, but if you've got better ideas, you can think of a situation where you can put the word well and good. That would be more personalized and that would be more effective. So, when his girlfriend asked him to set the table, he did so with alacrity. So, that's how you use the word. Okay. So let's move to the next one. Amiable. So amiable refers to describe a person who's friendly. So it's undeniably an adjective. What are adjectives? Words that are used to describe a noun or a pronoun. So when I say she's a tall girl, tall is an adjective. Or when I say she's an amiable fellow, amiable means loving, right? So that's how friendly. So there are two words. Amiable means friendly and amicable means lovable. So usually you can use both the words interchangeably. Next is appease. Appease is to calm or satisfy. So whenever my little one cries, I try to appease her by showing her her favorite toys. So that's how you can use the word appease. Appease would be a verb because it's an action done. So that's the part of speech for this word would be verb. Okay, so let's move to the next word. So four we have learned. We have learned aberration, which is something which is different from the norm. Abhor is to hate. Amiable is being friendly, and appease means to calm or satisfy. Now, the next word is arcane. Arcane is something which is obscure. So that's a secret known only by few. So any literature which is arcane, or any root that is arcane, or any arcane secret that has been kept in the family. So that's how you can use the word, which is an adjective. The next is avarice, which is a greed, excessive greed, right? So whenever a person is excessively greedy, you use this word. It is used as a noun. Okay, so remember this. Arcane is obscure and avarice is showing excessive greed, which is a noun, and arcane is an adjective. Further, the next is brazen. So brazen is when you are excessively bold, brash, clear, and obvious. So when you say the sentence, say a statement, or you suggest something without thinking that how would the impact be created. So that's how you use the word brazen, which is an adjective. So at times, like the sentence is made, critics condemned the writer's brazen attempt. So it was too bold to plagiarize. What is plagiarize? To steal somebody's ideas. So it was clear, it was obvious, it was bold, right? I mean, the author or the writer did not even think twice, on copying the word, on plagiarizing somebody's ideas. So that's how you use the word brazen, which is an adjective. And the last word for the day would be brusque, which is short, abrupt, dismissive. So something that happened all of a sudden, and which was in a negative word, you usually use this particular word, and it is used as an adjective. So I hope you are going to retain these words. Please try to remember these words as much as you can. The more you're going to use these words, the better the retention would be, the better the effectiveness would be. Please remember that cramming doesn't help. So you can create some sentences, some mnemonics, some flashcards, learn some roots. Now the parts of speech also is an important thing that you should incorporate, so that learning is fun. And remember, vocabulary can only be improved when you are consistent in your efforts, right? So these are the upcoming batches which are starting. So we have percentiler basic for CAT and OMATs, and the top-notch trainers are starting with the batch. Then we have weekend complete batch where Ajinkya sir, Praveen sir, and Shalini ma'am would be taking the sessions. Then there is an NMAT, exclusive NMAT batch, which starts from 30th October by Shruti ma'am, Harsh sir, and Ashish sir. So you can enroll in the batches. The batches are going to start soon. And there's a bumper iconic offer going on where you get some extra benefits in your iconic subscription. This is valid till 31st October. So you can enroll to get some amazing benefits. While you enroll, you can use the code JNLife10 to get another 10% off. Now, it is like I said previously, it's a good time to go for the subscription if you're going for CAT 2021. Not for CAT, of course, 1 month you have still to ensure that your CAT performance gets a boost. And another is that so many other management entrance tests you'll be going for, like NMAT, SNAP, and TISNET, IFT, where you would be needing expert guidance, and every test has got certain specific requirement. And if you enroll in the batch, that ensures that your effort is in the right direction. So that is very important. So you can go for the subscription. The fees is very nominal, and that's an investment that you're doing for your own future self. The fees is 16,400. Further, you can use the code JNLife10 to get a 10% off. And now an academy is having this wonderful initiative where there is comprehensive evaluation for your CAT preparation. So there are 4 free full length mock tests. 2 already have happened. The next 2 are yet to go. So please do enroll for these tests, and you are not going to just get the your percentile. You're going to get a detailed report, you're going to get live video solutions, and then your strategy sessions. So there are a lot of benefits that you can avail, right? So please keep working hard, stay consistent. Vocabulary should be done every day, at least 5 to 10 minutes of investment, right? And if you're regular in your endeavors, definitely success will be yours. Keep working hard, stay consistent. All the best.